estate. Well, my name is Shawn Fortune. Like you said, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in real estate. It's a long story how I got into real estate.
Give me the short version. What made you was like, nah, I gotta get into this?
You know what it is? I had a coworker of mine because I was always buying cars all the time, and that's all I knew.
Oh, word.
Yeah, he came to me. He says, "Yo, bro, man, like, why you sitting there buying all these cars? Why don't you buy a house?" And I'm 23 or 24 at the time. Around 24. I'm like, well, what do you really mean buy a house for what purpose? You know, that's how I'm thinking because nobody really showed me then how to buy a house or why I should buy a house.
Can't use a house to pull up on the club. Right? Can't pull up on a house like, yo, what up, shorty? I got money.
And what tied together with that was that the store I was working for at the time was running into issues. And I was the finance manager there, and I went to the owner and I said, hey, you know, what are we going to do? What's the story? Do you have any type of backup plan? His whole thing was just the car business. And when I saw that, I said, you know what? If he goes down, I go down too with no job. So let me try to figure out another way to do something. So I took his advice and I decided to buy a multifamily in Brooklyn. And from that, it took me into wanting to buy houses once I received that first check without doing anything.
Ah, okay.
That was a rent check, or that was
the rent
selling?
check? Well, it was my the first month payment security, so all that one shot. I was like, this is pretty cool. Maybe I can try to do it with multiple people.
Okay.
So
well, that's definitely a moving point. That would definitely motivate me.
And when was that? What like year was that?
well, I bought the house when I was 26. I can't remember the year actually. It was like 6-7 years ago.
I ain't trying to date you with that.